In first gear. Right now I'm using this line right here on this plastic, and those lines, y'all can kind of see the center of the trailer back there. That's what I'm using as kind of as a guide to get this thing centered up best I can. Stay centered on that the best I can. See if I'm even close. I don't think I am. I think I'm off with where the trailer was and where the truck is, and keep going until I hit my ramps. There we go. What I just did, I just bumped the front tires against the ramps. Alright guys, I was probably about 3 or 4 inches too far to the passenger side that time. So we're going to do it one more time. I went ahead and backed off the trailer. So there's the trailer. There's that seam I was talking about. Right there. Line it up with that in the back. See what happens. Should be a lot better this time. Alright, way up there. There's the back end coming up the ramps. Ease forward till I feel it bump the ramps. Alright, we're there. Back up just a tad. There we go. Set the parking brakes. Try it again. Alright guys, I'm down out of the machine now. As y'all can see, I'm hanging over just a little bit on that side and a little bit on that side. Nowhere near enough to need outrigger boards. Here's where I was talking about. Put the front tires up against the ramps. Then I'll chain from there to there, and in the back, and in the middle. So, shoot yeah. Alright.